Hi everyone! So today I'm gonna be upfront and tell you I messed up. Okay, the thing is, I wanted to find a Daniel Smith version of Roman Szmal's Aquarius Green to compare to it. But yeah, you're gonna see here that I got 3 colors from Daniel Smith to compare with Roman Szmal's Aquarius Green, but then they didn't turn out like how I expected. And then I found Green Apatite Genuine, which I was like, hey, that one looks much more similar. And then I compared to that afterwards. So yeah, please bear with me that it's a bit weird today. The first one was Cascade Green, made with PBR7 and PB15. You could really tell that it comes out almost a turquoise color, almost a green but leaning towards blue, if that makes sense. A very, very green turquoise. As for the Undersea Green, made with PB29, P048, and PY150, it's a very deep, dark green. I'd call it a almost perylene green. It has some granulation or color separation in there. Nothing too exciting, for me at least. Serpentine Genuine is one of my favorite new sap green options because it has this like brown granulation inside. Oh, here, we have Cascade Green. You could see the color separating already. Undersea's Green, some granulation, not too exciting. Serpentine Genuine. I didn't use enough water, so you can't really see the granulation and color separation there. And then now we have Roman Szmal's Aquarius Green, PY150, PBR25, and PB29. It's also a dark, deep, dark, rich, foresty green that washes down to a nice olive green, sort of, with dark granulation, the color of like indanthrene blue, PB60, but obviously we know that it's the ultramarine blue, PB29, but I think after mixing it all together, it just makes it look darker. I apologize for the camera exposure settings, it just does that automatically. Okay, next up, I'm going to be messing with the exposure a bit to show you the exaggerated differences. So once we adjust the exposure, you can tell that Cascade Green is very much like a turquoisey, a green-blue, or sorry, a blue-green, and the Serpentine Genuine is a yellow-green. Both of these are nothing like the Aquarius Green from Roman Szmal. The closest on here on this page right now it would be the Undersea Green, but even so, that, as you can see, is very much bluer than the Aquarius Green, so that doesn't count. It looks a lot more like perylene green than Aquarius Green, so no, all of these don't match up. And that's when I realized, really, do I not have a Daniel Smith lookalike for the Roman Szmal Aquarius Green? So then I looked through my collection of paints again, and I was like, hey, I have Green Apatite Genuine, and I didn't even, I should have been more thorough when I was looking through my Daniel Smith collection. I'm sorry, guys. So there we go. So then we're gonna see up next here that I swatch Daniel Smith's Green Apatite Genuine next to Roman Szmal's Aquarius Green. Here we are, laying down the Green Apatite. Very beautiful. Granulation already coming through. There's more of a bright yellow-green glow from beneath the granulation. The color of the granulation on this is very much dark brown, I'd say. Whereas the Aquarius Green, even though these two aren't an exact match, I think that they're the closest to each other that I have. And you know what? They're all subtly different in a way that I could appreciate each one on its own. But I'm more curious, guys. Which type of green do you prefer? Because currently, I'm in the phase where I like Serpentine Genuine very, very much. Because it's like my new sap green. I didn't like sap green before, but suddenly Serpentine Genuine comes along, and it's like there's texture, there's subtle granulation, and it's just so beautiful and wondrous. Yeah, so these dark greens I don't yet appreciate. I mean, I appreciate that they're really beautiful on their own with the color separation and all, but I'm more curious as to which ones are you guys into right now, and have you been into any and then just lost interest in and moved on to a different color maybe? And I guess that's it for today. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated. Bye!